Danielle Dodd, the national shot put champion, expressed strong frustration towards the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, JAA, and the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, after she failed to reach the final of the women's shot put event. She criticized the organizations for what she perceives as a lack of respect and support for field athletes compared to track athletes. Dobbs highlighted that this is the second Olympics where she finished in 13th place, and also the second time her request to have her coach accompany her was denied. She mentioned that she had to spend 2.5 weeks in the Olympic Village practicing on her own because her coach was not granted accreditation to access the training facilities, which she believes impacted her performance. JAA team manager Ludlow Watt clapped back at her statement.
All members of the Jamaican delegation. Ms. Dodd was one of those who chose not to participate in the training camp. Amongst the participants were Roger Toner, gold medalist in the discus, and Rajinda Campbell, bronze medalist in the shot put. Our team throwers coach, Mr. Julian Robinson, supervised their training in the absence of their foreign-based personal coaches. And if you look at the last 2 World Championships, she had a World Championship silver medal some years ago. But in 2022, in Oregon, she placed 10th, and she had husband coach as a personal coach's pass. She placed 10th. In Budapest 2023, she placed 5th. We gave her husband the coaching pass, a personal coach pass. He declined, but she placed 5th. So she placed 5th in Budapest when she didn't have a coach, and she placed 10th in Oregon when she had a coach. So having full access, so based on what she had here, she had full access to a team schooling coach who guided the entire team. And given the fact that her personal coach husband had access to her during competition, could that have been accredited to the reason for her non-performance? In other words, he was there, he had access to her during competition. All she did not have was a document past personal coach, but all the facilities, all that came with a personal coach were provided.
To disclose that she personally benefited from millions of dollars from the JAAA under the Olympic Solidarity Scholarship, the funds of which are devoted, among other things, to training, travel, and other expenses. I'm permitting Ms. Dodd the opportunity to clarify matters and to disclose to the public how much she received for 4 years in demonstrating that the facts are not only telling, but becoming of the truth. Ms. Dodd is also fully aware that her colleagues in the field of play, O'Dane Richards, Frederick Dacres, Kai Chang, and others, have all benefited financially from the Jamaica Olympic Association. Ms. Dodd is also fully aware that the Jamaica Olympic Association does not select coaches. We only accredit persons on lists sent to us by member federations and validated by governing international bodies.
As you heard in the audio, J3A and JOA refute Danielle Dodd's claims.